What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with my Mantis from Happy Model. And check it out, guys. It's now what I call my Orchid Mantis. I got white works on it now. I got the white standoffs here working. You know, I think it looks pretty cool. So now I added the white props, and so we're about to take off with it. I got this RedPawz monitor here. So let me fire this up. I've been testing this monitor here to see if it works nice. So far it's been good. I did notice a little bit of jumping on the picture when I was flying my baby hawk, so I'm going to see if that's the case with this one too. Okay, so we're locked in on the Mantis. See if I can get it recording. Okay, so we're recording. So let's take off. First time flying this Mantis with the 400 milliamp hour graphene battery. Seems like it's a little heavy. Could just be the props though. These props don't generate a lot of thrust. These are the regular King Kong props. So let's do some FPV with it. Really clear feed. The screen looks really nice. Some low flying. So no jumping on the picture here. Looks really nice. Oh, and I couldn't see anymore. So I guess I have to venture over here to see what happened. I imagine behind all this metal and all, took it past its limits, even with this patch antenna. Hope it doesn't get run over. Try to power loop through one of the arms of one of these machines over here. Hopefully the battery's still plugged. We're not getting anything on the FPV screen at all. So we should be getting close. Okay, I think the battery got ejected. I'm seeing it over here. Got a nice little dirt mound over here. Maybe I might bring some RC cars over. Yeah, the battery unplugged. I don't know what happened. So the battery unplugged. Looks like our buzzer came loose as well. I might be able to just shove the buzzer back in place. I'm gonna need to get some hot glue on the buzzer there. Okay, so the buzzer's back in place. Looks like no damage. Let's see if we'll take off. I guess we flew out of the range, out of the FPV range of this thing. little line of sight on the walk back. And the battery's tapping out. I guess that's the end of our adventure with this thing. Actually, I have another battery. Let's try one of the King Kong 350 milliamp hour batteries. Unplug that. Our video had stopped too. Hopefully the video saved. Maybe we ran out of space. I don't know. I'll try to hit record again. See if we can get some more video. Okay, it is recording again. So let's take off. Oh, looks like our antenna is in harm's way. Straighten the antenna out. And let's take off again. A little more punch with this lighter battery. Let's do some FPV. The camera looked like it must have shifted because I'm getting a little of the outside holder of the camera. Let's bring it back. Kind of lost orientation there. Got it back. Let's look at the camera. So the camera's tilted back a little too far. Okay, let's go with it again. The picture on the FPV is pretty clear now. Thinking about flying through here. Fooling around with this. And we're getting the buzzer. Buzzer definitely going off. Okay, no buzzer now. Let's go back and fool around with that tunnel there. Okay, the buzzer changed its mind. So that's it. Quick little demo flight of this. Let me stop the footage to make sure we got the footage on here. So you gotta hold down the record button to stop the recording and save it. Hopefully that's saved. And that was a quick demo flight with the Mantis. And we have a 350 milliamp hour 2S battery from King Kong, from the King Kong series. And I did fly it earlier with a 400 milliamp hour graphene battery 2S. And we're testing out this RedPawz monitor still. Thanks for watching.